Hey guys, my name is Kenny. This is my brand new YouTube studio setup. As you can see, I have my home gym in the middle of the room and I have my YouTube studio in the back. I made a video on my home gym if you want to check that out. On the right is where I'm now shooting my videos. And it's this exact space that you're looking at right now. We recently redid the floors and the walls and we moved a lot of stuff out of here so I can put this YouTube studio here. I still need to put up phone panels on the walls to help get rid of the echo. This top white piece you see here I got from IKEA, and it's actually a desk just without the legs. I first bought this just to do top-down shots, but now I recently ordered the legs so I could put it together. And I'm now using this as part of my YouTube videos to keep the white and gray color scheme. The table underneath this has like a really ugly yellow color, which is why I'm not showing it. The camera that I'm using is the Sony a7R Mark II. And this is what I shoot all my videos with, all my clips and everything you see. The microphone that I recently bought and that I'm using right now is a Sennheiser MKE 600. And it's just above me right out of frame. With any microphone, you want it as close to your mouth as possible. And that's why I keep it just out of frame, attached to a boom tripod. I also have a wire running from the microphone across the boom tripod and all the way to the camera. This microphone has the option of running on a AA battery, which is why I don't need a separate audio recorder. Because of that battery, I'm able to plug it straight into the camera. The first time I used this mic was on my last video about my home gym, and I'm going to be using this mic from now on. I also have two budget microphones that I used to use before I got this one. The cheapest option that I have is a Lavalier Mic that's only $20. You can plug this right into your camera or even plug it right into your phone and use it right away. I recommend getting one of these if you don't have any microphone at all. Don't use the camera mic and get one of these to start. It'll make a huge difference, especially if you're just getting started. Like I said, you want the mic as close to your mouth as possible. And my other mic is the Blue Yeti. This is a much better sounding mic if you can get it as close to your mouth as possible. You can use it on your desk for voiceover work, or you can have it hanging on a boom tripod like this. The only problem with this is that this is a USB mic, which means you have to plug it into your computer. And that means you have to sync up audio and video in post. But if you have $100 to spend, I highly recommend this one. For lighting, I have the softbox kit that I got for around $30. And that's what's lighting me on this side. This is definitely one of the cheapest options you can get, and if you don't have any lighting, I recommend getting something like this. I also recently bought this LED light that attaches to the top of my camera. I use this to light up the front of my face and to give my eyes some shine. Now the other side of my room behind my camera is my editing space. The desk that I use, I got from IKEA. In IKEA, before you check out, they have an as-is section on the side. You can find a lot of the items that they sell at a discounted price in that section. I remember that I wanted this exact desk in IKEA when I saw it, but it was too expensive. And when I went to the as-is section, I saw this exact desk at half price. And all I had was a few scratches, but the desk was completely fine. You could definitely find some great deals in that section. The laptop that I use is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. And this is where I do all my video and photo editing. When I'm at my desk, I hook it up to my 4K LG monitor. I'm also going to leave links below to everything that you see here. With this monitor, I use an Apple Magic Keyboard. As well as this new mouse, the Logitech MX Master 3. This mouse has a horizontal scroll wheel which helps me edit my videos a lot faster. The speakers that I have on the side are also from Logitech. For headphones, I either use the Bose QC35 or the AirPods Pro that I just got. Other little things that I have are my chargers for everything. I have a wireless charger for my phone, and I have a cable running to charge the batteries for my camera. I also keep 1 or 2 hard drives on my desk, so I can plug in and start video editing. And on the right I keep my Xbox, so I can use it whenever I want to take a break. I don't remember exactly where I got my chair, but I know it's either Staples or IKEA. But besides all that, I have a bunch of other extras that I keep in my drawers. And it's mainly extra hard drives and batteries. And that is my entire YouTube studio that I recently put together. Having something like this just makes it easier to record videos. I no longer have to set up everything and then take it down again if I want to shoot a video. I can just leave it all here. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.